Hi kids. Do you want to know how to line up in class? Let's learn together. Keep your eyes on the screen.
Let's learn how to make a perfect row. See how all the kids are standing side by side in a straight line? When you line up, make sure there's enough space between you and the kids next to you. No bumping elbows. What's wrong here? That's right. One kid isn't in the line. They're too far forward. And what about this one? Yep, this kid is standing too close to one friend and too far from the other. Let's learn how to make a perfect queue. See how all the kids are standing one behind the other, nice and straight. When you line up, leave a little space between you and the person in front. If someone behind you is too close, it's okay to ask them to step back. What's wrong here? That's right. One kid is too far to the side. They're not in the line. And what about this one? Yep. This kid is too close to one friend and too far from the other. So remember, stand one behind the other, leave space, and make a straight line. Let's learn how to line up in a grid. Sometimes when there are lots of kids, one long row is too big. So instead, we make a grid. See how there are many rows, all straight and neat. And behind each kid, there's another kid standing in line, just like a queue. What's wrong here? That's right. These two kids are standing too close together. We need space. And what about this one? Yep, this kid isn't in line with the others. The row isn't straight, and they're not standing behind the kid in front. So remember, stand in rows and queues, leave space, and keep your lines straight.